First, we will open the glove box. The right hand corner, there is a damper that we need to pull out. Now the glove box has two stoppers, one on the right and the other on the left. We need to pull out both of the stoppers to pull down the glove box completely. Once the glove box is completely down, right there you will see the spot for the filter. We'll need to press the tab for the cover from the right side to take the cover out. And we'll slide out the filter just like that. That's how you take out the filter. In my case, the filter is brand new, so I will be installing it back. Suppose you have a new filter and you want to install it back, make sure the arrow sign is at the front pointing downwards. We will punch in the filter just like that, making sure it's completely in. Make sure to put back the cover. The left part of a cover has a tab that needs to be slided in right there. Once the tab is slided in, we close and push the cover to a point until we hear a clicking sound. We grab the glove box and need to place those pointers back to their respective positions. Once both the pointers are back where they were, only then we will go ahead on the right side to put back the damper. Now we are good to close the glove box. And this wraps up the replacement for the cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.